Madison. What's that? Looks like a garlic pill. That's garlic? Don't eat it. Let me see. This is no good. It's been on the floor. It's dirty. Yeah. Yeah. I ruined it. And what's that? That's a chain. Right? Hey. What are you going to do with that chain? Hmm? What are you going to do? Oh! You snatched my camera. Whoa! What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? You want to take my phone? Whoa! Yep. You got to take my phone? Whoa! Yeah. You want to have a... Ooh. Look. Look at this. What's that? Ah. Yeah. What is that? Let me see what that is. Ah. That's a case for my phone camera. Oh, you want this one? Bless you. Whoa. Ooh. Bless you. Bless you. Hey, see this? This. That's my ID card. Guess who's on here? Look. Let me show you. That's right. That's me. That's right. You like that? Yeah, it's a picture of Grandpa. Look. See? Grandpa. You look like Grandpa? You think you look like Grandpa? You look like Mommy. You gotta turn it around. Hey. Hello. You're looking at the wrong side. Where do you think you're going? Huh. Yeah. Let's see what you're doing over here. What are you doing? Yeah. You look really close there. Look at those dimples. Ooh. You got cute little dimples. Whoa. Whoa. Hello. Don't lose Grandpa's ID. You won't be able to go to work. Yeah. Right? Huh? Hello? I won't be able to go to work if you lose my ID. You gonna sit on me?
Whoa.
Yeah. Sitting down next to Grandpa. And that's so ugly, Grandpa. Hey. What's up? I'm babysitting today, as you noticed. Yeah. You're reading, huh? You're singing, huh? Why don't you get off the dirty kitchen floor? You're on a dirty kitchen floor.
Huh?
You know. The floor's dirty. No, don't mess with that stuff. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Huh? Hey. And what are you doing? What do you got to say to Grandpa, huh? What do you got to say to Grandpa? Say hello? Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Give me that. Ooh. You look like Chucky. Give me that look. Hey, give me that look. Look. Madison. Chucky. Look. Madison. Come on. What is that? What are you doing? What did you do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hello. Madison.
Hi.
What? We're the Backyardigans. Sing that song for me. The Backyardigans. Huh? Can you sing the Backyardigans?
Oh, that's
Yeah. Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
right.
Oh.